Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on a mission to lose weight quickly but sustainably, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of weight loss: healthy eating. Let's face it, losing weight can feel like an uphill battle. But the secret to success: it's not about starving yourself or cutting out every food you love. It's about eating smarter, not less, and choosing foods that work with your body, not against it. So stick around as I break down exactly what should be on your plate to shed those extra pounds fast, the healthy way. And trust me, you're going to want to take notes for this one. Segment 1. Understanding the basics of weight loss. Before we jump into what to eat, let's quickly cover the basics. Weight loss boils down to one golden rule: calories in versus calories out. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than your body burns. But here's the kicker: not all calories are created equal. The type of food you eat impacts your metabolism, energy levels, and even how hungry you feel throughout the day. So, what's the game plan? Fill your diet with nutrient-dense foods that keep you full, boost your metabolism, and fuel your body the right way. Segment 2. The superfoods for quick weight loss. Let's talk about the superstars of weight loss, the foods that should be at the top of your grocery list. These are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and designed to help you hit your goals faster. 1. Leafy greens. First up, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These are low in calories but high in fiber, which means they'll fill you up without weighing you down. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants to keep you healthy. 2. Lean proteins. Protein is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and eggs not only help you feel fuller for longer but also support muscle growth, which boosts your metabolism. Pro tip: try to include a source of protein in every meal. Your body will thank you for it. 3. Whole grains. Contrary to popular belief, carbs aren't the enemy. Refined carbs are. Instead, opt for whole grains like quinoa, oats, brown rice, and whole grain bread. These provide long-lasting energy and prevent those pesky afternoon cravings. 4. Healthy fats. Yes, you can lose weight while eating fat. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil help you stay satisfied and even improve your body's ability to burn stored fat. Segment 3. Foods that boost your metabolism. Did you know there are certain foods that can actually help your body burn more calories? Let's take a look at these metabolism-boosting heroes. 1. Green tea. Green tea is famous for its metabolism-boosting properties, thanks to its antioxidants and caffeine. Swapping your sugary drinks for a cup of green tea is a simple way to speed up your weight loss journey. 2. Chili peppers. If you can handle the heat, chili peppers are a fantastic way to rev up your metabolism. They contain capsaicin, which not only gives them their kick, but also helps your body burn more calories. 3. High-protein foods. Remember, your body burns more calories digesting protein than carbs or fats. So, eating protein-rich foods can give your metabolism a nice little boost. Segment 4. Structuring your day for weight loss. Now that we know what to eat, let's talk about when and how to eat. Timing and portion control are just as important as the foods themselves. 1. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. Avoid sugary cereals and opt for a breakfast that includes protein, like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a smoothie with protein powder. This sets the tone for the rest of the day and keeps you from overeating later. 2. Small, balanced meals throughout the day. Instead of 3 big meals, try eating smaller, balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours. This keeps your metabolism steady and prevents hunger spikes. 3. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water is essential for weight loss. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also helps curb hunger and improves digestion. Segment 5. Foods to avoid for quick weight loss. While adding the right foods is important, it's equally crucial to avoid foods that can sabotage your progress. Here's what to watch out for. 1. Sugary drinks and snacks. These are loaded with empty calories and cause blood sugar spikes, leading to energy crashes and cravings. 2. Processed foods. From chips to frozen meals, processed foods often contain unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Always check the labels or opt for whole, natural foods. 3. Refined carbs. White bread, pasta, and pastries are the worst offenders when it comes to weight gain. They're low in nutrients and leave you feeling hungry soon after eating. Segment 6. Meal prep tips for success. Meal prepping can make or break your weight loss journey. It saves time, ensures you have healthy options ready to go, and keeps you from grabbing unhealthy snacks on the go. 1. Plan your meals. Take an hour each week to plan your meals and snacks. This eliminates guesswork and helps you stick to your goals. 2. Batch cook. Prepare big batches of healthy staples like grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and quinoa. Store them in the fridge or freezer for easy access throughout the week. 3. Portion control. Use portion containers to ensure you're not overeating. Remember, even healthy foods can hinder weight loss if you eat too much. Segment 7. Mindset and lifestyle changes. Healthy eating is just one part of the puzzle. To see real results, pair it with these lifestyle changes. 1. Stay active. Exercise regularly, whether it's a gym workout, yoga, or even a daily walk. Physical activity boosts your metabolism and complements your healthy eating habits. 2. Get quality sleep. Sleep is a major factor in weight loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to allow your body to recover and regulate hunger hormones. 3. Manage stress. Stress can lead to overeating and weight gain. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. Inspire action. That's it for today's guide to healthy eating for quick weight loss. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more tips like these. And let me know in the comments, what's your go-to healthy meal? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and happiness. See you next time.